Beta, today we are going to start with log differentiation. Log differentiation without whole power. Without whole power. Okay. You will be having log in the expression, and they will be telling you that you have to differentiate it. So when they are going to give us log differentiation, so there are steps which we have to follow. Write your steps with as steps of solution. Your step number 1 will be the multiple of log, the multiple of log will be, the multiple of log will be written in reciprocal form, will be written in reciprocal form. Step number 2, multiple of log will be differentiated. Multiple of log will be differentiated. Step number 3, both steps will be multiplied. Both steps will be multiplied. One more thing, beta. When you are doing your log differential, so we know that there are some rules of logs also. Okay. So you can apply those rules also to simplify your question. Before starting of differentiation, you can simplify your question by applying log rule if possible. Okay. So now, first of all, I'm going to start with C. Log x cube minus 3x. Okay. For instance, this is my first question given to me. Okay. So the rule says this is my log and this is the log multiple. So what will I do? First step, I'm not simplifying, differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. So what I can do over here, first of all, first rule, multiple of log will be written in a reciprocal form, x cube minus 3x. Okay, I have done nothing. I have just written my log multiple in a reciprocal form. Okay, step number 2, differentiate your log multiple. So this is my log multiple. I'm going to differentiate it. So this will become 3x squared minus 3. Differentiation of this thing is over here. Okay. Last thing says take product. So this thing multiplied by this thing, 3x squared minus 1 over x cube minus 3x. Okay, this is how you are going to multiply. They will not be giving us this log, they will be giving us ln, natural log. And for natural log, we know that the base is always exponential. The natural log, the base is always exponential. and in LG log, the base is always 10. Okay, I have written log in the start, so you will not get in the trouble. Okay, which log is this, and can we have the other log? Now I'm telling you that you will have only this log, ln, not LG, and in ln, you guys remember that base is always exponential. Now, I'm doing another part of question, that is ln and sine square x. Ln sine square x, this is the question in which ln is connected with a trigonometric ratio, and I have to differentiate this one. Okay, so first of all, differentiate with respect to x, ln differential. So whatever is the multiple of ln, that will be written in reciprocal form. 1 upon sine square x. Okay. After this, what I'm going to do, I've done my first step. Multiple is written in reciprocal form. I have done my first step. Step number 2. What is my step number 2? Differentiation of this thing. Sine square x. Now forget about this ln. Just work with sine square x. So the differential of sine square x, first of all, on sine, I have got a whole power over here, which is 2. So 2 sine x. Okay? 2 sine x. And after that, differentiation of sine x is cos x. In the trigonometric ratio, it is given with whole power, only on trigonometric ratio, not on the whole thing. Okay. So when I am differentiating my trigonometric ratio, first I have differentiated power. Trigonometric ratio and angle will remain same. Then I have differentiated trigonometric ratio, angle will remain same. And after that, if you want to show that is not necessary, differentiation of angle, and that will be equals to 1. Now simplifying this, 2 sine x cos x over sine square x square, and this will be cancelled. 2 cos x over sine x, and cos x over sine x is 2 cot x. Okay, this is how I'm going to complete it. Now, I have told you in the start that I can apply log formulas in these questions, log rules. Okay. Now, square is basically showing that it is on the whole sine x thing. So, I can write it like this also. Okay. All of you are agreed with this one, that I can write it in this way. And we know that if a multiple, listen to me very carefully what I am saying, if a multiple of log has a power, then power can be written before log. It means if I am having this thing, so I can also write it like this. Okay. If I'm having this thing, log multiple with a whole power, then whole power can be shifted before log, and I can have rest of the thing over there. So this thing which is written over here, it can be written 2 ln sine x. Okay, I have applied log rule. I'm not starting with differentiation right now. I am applying my log rule right now. So this is I've done. After that, differentiate with respect to x. No whole power is given, so no change will be coming to the coefficient. Coefficient will be written as it is, ln sin x. So differential of ln sin x will be written in reciprocal form. Then differential of sin x will be cos x. Okay. So when I'm simplifying it, it will become 2 cos x over sin x, and this will become 2 cot x. Same question, same type. Okay. Okay, class. So we have got this thing. Okay. So now again, it's our choice how we are going to solve it, right? So first of all, I'm going to solve this question by two methods. Okay. First, I'm going to do it directly with direct differentiation, and then I'm going to solve the same question, and I'm going to do it with the help of solution first, right? So what will I do? First of all, I'm differentiating it. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. And when I'm going to differentiate with respect to x, okay, so x multiple will be written like this: e sec square. Multiple of log will be written in a reciprocal form. After that, I am going to differentiate this thing. What is that? That is my exponential differential. So in exponential differential, I know that this will be written as e sec square x. In exponential differential, whatever is the thing, it is written as it is. Okay, that is also done. Now I have to differentiate sec square 2x. Okay, so for sec square 2x, what I'm going to do over here, beta, first I'm writing it separately. Okay, because it is hard to differentiate it directly for you guys. So I'm going to write it directly over here. I've written it separately. Sec square 2x can be written as 1 over cos square 2x. Okay. And when I will shift it over here, it will become cos minus 2x. So now I have to differentiate this thing. Whole power is minus 2. This will become minus 2 cos minus 3 power 2x. Then differentiating it without whole power, cos 2x will become minus sine 2x, and then the differential of 2x will be 2. So when I will simplify it, this will become minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 sine 2x over cos 3 to the power cos cube 2x. So the differentiation of this thing, which is over here, is basically this. It's in front of you. So I'm going to write it. I'm not showing this step. You can show it on the rough work. I'm doing it directly over here. 4 sine 2x over cos 3 2x. Okay. Now, this thing mostly happens in exponential one, that this and this will be cancelled, and my final answer will be 4 sine 2x over cos 2x whole cube. That is your final answer. Okay, so I hope I'm clear till this point. Now I'm going to do the same thing, same question I'm going to do, but now I'm going to do it with simplification first. Okay, so the same question is ln e sec square 2x. Okay. So ln is there with exponential and power. So if log multiple has a power, power will be written before log sec square 2x ln e. Okay, and ln e is equals to 1. We all know that. So sec square 2x, and now I have to differentiate this thing only. Differentiate with respect to x, and differentiation of this, we have already known that the differentiation of this is 4 sine 2x cos 3 2x. You have to show that differentiation. We have already done it, that's why I'm not solving it in this one. But if you are doing it separately, then you have to show that step. Okay, so these are the two ways in which differentiation can be